Good morning.
Morning.
I got my hair cut.
Yeah, I cut it last night, right before bed.
We are currently parked at a Flying J in Beaver Dam, Ohio.
Yep. Made a couple hour head start last night. Decided, screw it, let's leave.
Yeah, we left late last night. It's, I don't know,
6:55.
7 a.m. We just made a pot of coffee using the inverter, which is really nice.
It was really nice to have that inverter. we even, buzz your hair with the inverter.
So we are just headed south.
No destination. If something sounds cool along the way, we're just gonna plan on stopping. That's kind of how we're gonna roll with this.
Yeah. So it's just south.
South.
That's our destination, the south. We're gonna go straight or right, south or south.
South or south. 71 or 75. We're over in the far right lane.
Yeah, we're over here. We'll just stay here.
Sounds good. We'll see where this road takes us.
Take us south either way.
Yeah.
Somebody's tired.
Are you sleeping? Your face sliding?
His face keeps sliding down the center console.
Sleepy dog.
We've been driving for 5 hours.
Yeah, I'd say at least.
Yeah, I think maybe 5 hours. Not even. Oh, 4.5 probably. We did stop for fuel once. Dogs got out, walked around. We're still in Kentucky.
Yep, still in Kentucky.
We want to get at least to Tennessee, and I like this. They're just burning on the side of the road.
Brush and trees and whatnot. You won't see that out west.
Right, because when we were out in California a couple years ago, you couldn't even...
You weren't allowed to have any campfires.
Yeah, you couldn't even have a campfire.
They didn't even want you to throw cigarette butts on the ground.
Yeah, you couldn't even throw a cigarette butt out. And here they're just like, yeah, burn it.
Yep.
Just burn it.
Look at that face.
Yep. It's like... He won't just put his head on his bed.
He still wants to be included in the conversation. Lunchtime pit stop. At a Flying J. Generator's running. AC's running.
Well, we stopped for lunch. We are in Franklin, Kentucky. It's exit 2 off I-65. So basically it's the Tennessee-Kentucky line. Now, you guys voted. I asked which generator should we take with us, the Westinghouse or the Predator? 51% of you said take the Predator. So guess what? I brought the Predator. Being that it's 90 something, I think 93 degrees right now, we had the generator running, the air conditioner. It ran for about a half hour, and then the Predator started to chug real hard, and then it died. And it will not restart. I haven't looked at it. I will at some point. It's acting like it's not getting fuel. So I'll have to check to see if it's got spark, and I don't know. I'll look at it later. So we were thinking, hey, we're like 40 miles from Nashville, roughly. Nashville would be a really cool city. Fun city to, go check out. Hell, not today, it's not. All the campgrounds, every one of them is booked. apparently it's CMA Fest, so Nashville is going to be a no-go for us. So we're probably just going to pass right on through Nashville, thinking we're going to head towards Little Rock, Arkansas. We'll see. So I'm going to top off my fuel. Lynn's out walking the dogs, and we're going to get out.
Hey everyone, so right now we are parked at a campground called Dad's Bluegrass Campground. The guy's playing with a box. And we're parked here for the night. It's sooner than we wanted to stop, but when we had our rest stop over at the Flying J just north of here, or was it south? It was south of here, just before the Tennessee state line, we got lunch and Mike started to not feel very well. I think it was because of the heat and the fact that we probably didn't drink enough water, or we didn't really eat a whole lot that day, or earlier in the day. So it was, I don't know, I think it was more just like a combination of things. So we called around and we got this campsite. It was the last one they had. It's a pretty large park. It's full hookup, so we're able to get the AC running and try to get them cooled down. And so everything's been kind of an off day, but that's just how it goes. And it's kind of why we don't make reservations, because we didn't know that we'd have to be stopped here right now, and here we are. So we'll catch you up as soon as we find out where we're going next.
However, I am happy to report that the generator is fixed.
Yep, and then we let it run for like another half hour just to make sure that we didn't know that, Mike wouldn't start to feel very well, and we didn't know that, the